Yes. Okay, wait. So this is page number 80, and we are going to do this by we are practicing the sounds first of A, E, I. Let's do it. Say the sound of A with me. A, like apple. Okay, now say the sound of E, e, egg, e, egg. Now say the sound of I, itching on my nose, itch. Okay. Now whatever words you see here, you have to choose between A, E, and I as the middle sound. Okay. So say the word clearly, then write down the vowel in the middle, and then share that page with me. Meanwhile, I'll check the previous pages that you have sent. करो ये पेज करो पेज नंबर 80. Start doing this. This is how we need to improve on our vowel sounds. Okay. It's very, very important to know the correct vowel sounds so that later you are not confused with them. We will learn the long sounds also. We should know the short sounds properly. These are the short sounds. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? कौन सी sounds बोलते हैं? Short sounds of the
Short
vowel.
sound.
ठीक है हाँ इनको short sounds बोलते हैं. A, e, and then the sound of O is O. The sound of U is A. ये 5 sounds short sounds होती हैं. Do this page, शाबाश करो.
I'm done, ma'am.
Written all the words, all the 9 words, Aisha. Okay, good girl.
मैम क्या लिखना है इसमें?
आपको पूरे पूरी स्पेलिंग कंप्लीट करके लिखनी है नव्या.
ओके.
ठीक है. फिट लिखना है, लेग लिखना है, वॉट एवर इज द पिक्चर गिवन. Write down the word. Aisha is already done. Let's wait for other. Shloka, finished with this page? Okay, Shloka is not sending me the pictures. Maybe you will send me later. Okay. Navya, once Navya and Dhruv are done, then I'll tell you what are we going to do next. Next page, there is a spell check, right? So I will be showing you some pictures and you are going to write down those words for me in the book. Let me see if that's the page. या स्पेल चेक. अब मैम आपको 10 पिक्चर्स शो करेंगी. सारे वॉवल आई वाले पिक्चर्स मैम आपको दिखाएंगी. ठीक है. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम. लेट देम फिनिश देयर वर्क and I will meanwhile put pictures in my wheel. सेम बुक बेटा, इसी बुक में करना है. नो, साइड पर बुक अभी आज नहीं करना है.
ये वाला कह रही थी.
दिस इज योर मैथ्स बुक ना बेटा. दिस इज नॉट द फोनिक्स बुक बच्चे.
इंग्लिश. Mom,
यस
I
बेटा.
am done.
ओके बच्चे. व्हाट अबाउट नव्या? नव्या, व्हाट आर यू राइटिंग?
Writing 10. No. You
Chalo, be ready on the next page. Those who are done, be ready with the next page, and I'll just in half a minute's time, I'll show you the pictures, okay? डन नव्या?
नो मैम।
जी।
मैम टी एन क्या होगा?
टीएन क्या होगा? क्या लिख रहे हो बेटा आप?
मैम आपको जो लास्ट वन है।
एक सेकेंड, आई एम नॉट ऑन दैट पेज एक्चुअली। लास्ट वन इज, इट्स टिन। टिन, हाँ टिन का मतलब एक कैन जैसा होता है ना, टिन। ओके।
मैम डन।
चलिए, शी इज ऑल्सो डन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर स्पेल चेक। I have 10 pictures with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Added them to the wheel. I will spin the wheel. Whatever picture come, silently write down that word. Don't tell that what word it is. Okay, this is a test. So you, if you will speak, your friends will listen to it. ठीक है? चलिए, let's begin. And if you don't know what is this called, then you can ask me. चलो, गेस करो ये क्या वर्ड हो सकता है? हम्म।
मैम ये क्या हो सकता है?
एक सेकेंड बेटा।
मैम ये क्या जंप हो सकता है? मैम ये क्या जंप हो सकता है?
इसने बोला था कि लाउडली नहीं बोल रहा है, आपको वर्ड लिखना है, लिखो। आपको जो भी समझ में आ रहा है लिखो।
मुझे पता नहीं।
अच्छा, अभी मैं सब म्यूट कर देंगे।
हाँ जी, बताओ क्या वर्ड लग रहा है आपको ये? दिस इज अ बॉय, अ चाइल्ड। और एक बच्चे को हम और क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं इंग्लिश में? चाइल्ड का एक और वर्ड क्या हो सकता है?
ला-
हम्म। थिंक थिंक। स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द ख साउंड।
ला-
हाँ ध्रुव, व्हाट?
किड।
या, किड। ओके, द वर्ड इज किड। राइट दैट। चलो ध्रुव, एक सेंटेंस भी बोल के बताओ फिर किड से। बताओ।
मैम फनी बताओ।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत फनी बता दो।
यू आर किड।
I am a kid. That,
यस।
thank you so much. I want to be a kid. चलो, ओके। Now, next picture. Okay, let's guess the word. If you've
Win.
understood,
Win.
write it.
Win.
Yes, आयशा, इतना नहीं बोलते बेटा, सबको पता चल जाएगा। चलो लिखो।
मैम
Yes, done.
मैम सब म्यूट पे क्यों है?
क्योंकि मैंने बोला है, कोई नहीं बोलेगा ना, जो बोलेगा तो आप वर्ड सुन लोगे। चलो, व्हाट वर्ड डिड वी राइट? द वर्ड वाज, हाउ, व्हाट आयशा सेड, द वर्ड वाज विन। लिख लिया सबने विन? अब मुझे सेंटेंस बोल के
आई
बताएगी।
विन।
ओके, आई विन। आई से नहीं बोलना होता हमको सेंटेंस। श्लोका विल टेल अस अ सेंटेंस ऑन विन। श्लोका, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा। खाली मुझे नहीं आ रही कि सबको नहीं आ रही? हम्म। Oh, we cannot hear you.
She went because she did hard practice.
Yeah, she win. She will win because she is doing hard practice. Okay, chalo next picture. बोलना नहीं है, पहले लिखो। पहले टाई कर दूंगी। तो पहले लिखो। लिखने के बाद जब मैं पूछूंगी ना तब बताना सब कि क्या वर्ड लिखा है, ठीक है? पहले लिखो। डन राइटिंग? नव्या, क्या लिखा वर्ड आपने?
मैंने पिट
चलो पिट पे सेंटेंस बताओ अब। पिट, व्हाट इज अ पिट? गड्ढा।
pit with digging.
आई क्या? फिर से बोलो।
Pit and so
I dig a pit on the ground. बोलो ये सेंटेंस पूरा करो। I
pit
hmm,
that is
I will dig a pit. और इसको फनी सेंटेंस कैसे बना सकते हैं? लगता है द्रव को आता है फनी सेंटेंस। द्रव, यू नो द फनी सेंटेंस ऑन पिट?
Yes.
बताओ। बोलो। हाँ, पहले हंस रहे हो। चलो बताओ।
The suitcase fell in the pit,
हाँ?
and
क्या?
the
Who?
suitcase fell
Oh,
in
the
the pit
suitcase.
and
Hmm.
say, "Help me! Help me! Help me!"
Very good, very nice. Then what did he say? He said the suitcase fell in the pit and is running around. Save me, save me. Huh? Very nice. Good. Chalo, next one. Okay, nobody speaks. Nobody speaks. Write that first. Aisha, done writing? First you write down the word, then I will ask you to speak a sentence on the same word. And we are trying to make funny sentences, okay?
बहुत big होगा. big.
Big.
Okay. Aisha will unmute and tell us.
Standing line.
Aisha, you tell us what is the word.
This is a little baby's bib.
Okay. And what is the little baby doing with the bib? Aisha?
Eating.
Eating, wearing it. Okay. Drav, you want to say again a sentence?
Yes.
Batao.
Mom is wearing a bib.
Earlier I was a kid. Now I am wearing a bib. Okay. All right. So bib is, what is bib? You all know what is it, okay? The babies they wear around their neck when you feed them. क्या है? चलो next picture. Okay, what is this boy doing with this bat? What can be the word? Think first. इसको ना ऐसे रख के ऐसे press कर.
I know.
Okay, Aisha, write it first.
I already wrote it.
Wrote. Acha, now let's ask Shloka first. Shloka, what is the word? Do you know?
Yes.
Tell us.
Hit.
Hit. Very good. Now, what can we speak on this word hit?
Ma'am, I know.
I'll ask you after Shloka Dhruv, okay? Yes, Shloka, tell. Just imagine that the ball could feel the pain when the bat could hit it. What would the ball say? Imagine and then speak a sentence.
This bat hit the ball and bat had some hurt.
Okay. The bat got hurt. Ouch. Okay, Dhruv, you tell.
I hit the pen and the pen is running like this.
Okay. Nice, good. Chalo, next one. All right. So the arrow is around the body part. It should have the I sound in the middle. And we had this in the story of the rip and all that, na?
Hip, hip, hip.
Hip, hip, hip. 3 times hip. Hip, hip, hooray. Okay, write down the word hip and Navya will tell us a sentence on hip.
I see a hip.
No, no, not. अच्छा सा बोलो, कुछ सोच के बोलो. Take your thinking time.
I say my hips.
Okay, you can also speak the sentence from the story that we had read about ip words. You remember? You were there? Dhruv, okay, Dhruv, you tell. Listen to Dhruv's sentence. Batao, Dhruv.
I hit the can's hip.
I hit the can zip.
एक घंटे में वापस मुझे जाना है चुनी तो करनी है ना
Okay. So hip, I got a rip on my hip when I fell down. Okay, Navya? ठीक है, बोलो भी. Speak that after me. I got a rip
Hip
on my hip
on my hip
when I fell down.
when I fell down.
Very, very good. Let's go and spin for the next picture. Here you go. Okay, what is the word? It should have the I sound in the middle. Yes. Write it first. Yes, Dhruv, did you write the word?
No.
Write it first.
Which word, ma'am?
You don't know which word is it, Aisha? The boy, what is the boy doing? Yeah, that's the word. Write it. And now you will tell me a sentence. Who wants to speak a sentence on this word? Yes, Shloka. What word is it, Shloka? First tell everyone. Sit. What sentence can we speak on this?
He sat, but the chair fell down.
While he was sitting, the chair fell down. And he said, what did the boy said?
Ouch!
Ouch. Okay, Dhruv, you tell.
Ben was sitting in the chair and he fell down and he said,
When you fall, you do like this?
yes.
Okay. All right. So it is Dhruv who is sitting on the chair. Huh? Okay, everyone. Dhruv fell down and said, ouch. Okay. Chalo, next picture. All right. So we are all going to write down the spellings for this picture first. And then we'll try to speak up sentences. Aisha, would you like to try for this? Okay, unmute your mic and tell us what sentence can you speak on this picture and write the spelling also of this picture.
Mom, I know.
What?
I know all of them.
Okay, tell.
Okay.
Okay, Aisha, you tell first, then we will ask Drav his sentence. Aisha, tell.
There was a pin on the chest. Somebody sat down and then he got hurt.
Okay, lovely, very good. Yes, Drav, what did you?
The
Want to say?
pin was sitting in the sky.
The pin was sitting on the sky. On the cloud. And the cloud went poof. ठीक है चलो good. Okay, next picture. Okay, what picture is this, everybody? Write it down.
I don't know.
This is the body part of the fish. What do we call this? It rhymes with pin.
Ma'am, fin.
Yeah, this is fin. Fin.
See a shark fin.
I can see a shark's fin coming towards me in the water. Okay, then anybody else? Yes, Drav, batao.
The fish hit his fin.
The fish hit its fin. Okay, yes, Shloka, you. Shloka, आप बताओ.
He sees a fin, but he goes to see which is this fish. There is no fish.
There is no fish. There's only a fin. A fake fin in the water. Okay. All right. Navya, do you want to say something?
Yeah.
What do we want to say?
Fin.
Huh?
I see a fin with the water in the swim in the water, and we see.
I can see a fin in the water. And what else?
And I run away.
Oh, and I ran away. Save me. Yeah. Okay, chalo. Next and the last one. Is a kit. चलो बताओ.
Kit.
किट पे कौन क्या बोल सकता है? Write down the sense of kit first. Yes, Drav.
What is this?
This is a kit. Kit. A doctor's kit. Bolo. Navya, you want to speak a sentence on kit?
Doctor kit.
I have a doctor's kit. Okay, what if I don't want you to use I? Okay, yes, Drav and then Shloka.
My kit.
I? No, I don't want I. Something else.
My kid bells in ma'am's head and eats ma'am's head.
Oh my God, you are after me today, huh? Okay. Okay, yes, Shloka, you tell.
He got a new kit, and when he opened it, there is one book.
Okay, there is a book in the kit. Lovely. Navya, you tell. Navya, tell a sentence on kit.
We are in the book in
I can see a magical book in the kit. We can say magical book in the kit. Right? Aisha, what would you speak about a kit?
I saw a doctor's kit.
Okay, but can we imagine something along with that? What was inside the doctor's kit?
Injections and bandage and medicines.
Okay, all right. Good. Chalo, send me the picture of this. Now we are going to do a quiz. I'll stop the recording here.